Yeah, man, a dark face Rasta culture, you know. And all of my viewers, them out in the world, you know. Remember me tell you know, I start the bamboo house, them, you know. Yeah, man, and Grizzle Boss, what you say?
Yeah, man, you don't know, looking far, looking good. You know, for real. You get what I say? And you know, something like to see house, no care what. Board house, box house, concrete house, any house. But you know, bamboo house are going to look good. You know, because we them experts here deal with it. I first never see it to deal with. So that's why I'm there over here, me and dark face Rasta culture look. Because you know, I want to keep them style, you know, and make one next one, you know. You know.
That's true, man. Big up yourself, you know, my viewers. Remember, me tell you, say a mountain, you know. But Rasta thing, I know planting, you know. So we start before the mountain, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know, Africa, you know. Big up yourself, you know, England, you know. America, you know. Baldwin and Parshat, you know. Remember, me tell you, you know, I work for, you know, one of my cousin, you know. Life over death, you know. And strength, you know. Big up yourself, you know, Grizzle Boss. What you say?
Yeah, man, because you know, imagine one looks so good. So imagine 6 down the line and go down the side. Excellent.
Yeah,
and plus 1 down on the hillside. Because if you one up on the hillside, I want to call it a crown bamboo. So you know, some more time I come over here and then I go sleep, you know.
Yeah,
I run a pot every time. Me am dark face Rasta culture and you don't know say I'm best cousin, you know. You know, because when I run away, dark face now sell me out. You always say, yo, Grizzle Boss come for look food. Even 1 dumpling. And 1 drinks and them want pocket money. No care how small it is.
That's true, man.
Big up yourself, Rasta culture.
Yeah, man, and all of my viewers them out there, you know, subscribe and share to this, you know, because we are showing you, you know. And no hands out, we are to do this, you know. Out of my pocket, me I do this, you know. So all of my viewers and subscribers out in the world, you know. Respect our manners, you know.
Yeah, man, I want to see dark face, because we don't have no leather, and him have the height. Dark face, you beg on nail and that post up yourself.
Yeah, man. That's right. I'm here. Sure, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. See the thing here where we start, you see how you look when it start like I know nothing. Yeah, remember me tell you, when this done, you're going to see what I go on. Yeah,
firm,
man.
solid, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, like concrete.
As me say, you know, viewers and subscribers, everything from the mountain I build this, you know. Nothing from the hardware, you know. Not even a sheet of zinc now go on this, you know. And no water can drop in there, you know. Because everything I go in there brand new, you know, and pretty, you know.
And we now use nail. We are use stick.
Yeah, man.
We are plug them.
Yeah, man, we are plug them here, you know, to hold them up, you know. Because we now use no nail, you know.
Yeah,
remember me tell you know. Yeah, man. Maybe we use a 1 nail for just start, you know.
Yeah.
But for finish, we are take out back the nail them. Big up yourself, you know, cameraman. Say something, cameraman, because
yeah,
all cameraman have to talk, you know.
Yeah, man, with there, man, it's a good look, God, man, you know, tell lie. Yeah, man,
yeah,
you know, tell lie.
You send your woman forward, cameraman. You can't rent one of them, you can't get it free.
You know, tell
woman
lie.
not like concrete house more time. Remember, they have them big house of foreign, you know.
I don't believe.
So they want real Jamaican style, you know, bamboo house.
See,
yeah, man, and big up the African, you know. What tell me, say, you know, left the concrete house, you know, because concrete that drive a thing out of you when you're asleep, you know, and go to the real nature aspect of life, you know. Manners and respect, you know, every time, you know. Remember, me tell you.
Only they measure it. Only they measure it. Up here, sir. Only they measure it up here, sir. Yeah, man, you don't know. Do the place, print and talk.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Pepper, everything. Dash in. You know. Action. Aki. Everything. Banana. Yeah, by the time it's done, the banana fit where we cook it. 1 pot of banana we are cook over here. Iron. When we don't eat banana, we don't want to see lightning. No, full of too much iron.
Yeah, man. And viewers and subscribers, remember me tell you, you know. You see all of them banana tree, yeah? Me make doctor tell me say too much iron in my body, you know. Because when we eat the green banana, them, you know, we strong like bull, you know. So remember me tell you, look, Grizzle Boss.
Yeah, man, we eat it and we boil it. Yeah, remember me tell you, everything we deal with it, we use to make tea, cook it, we all put it for ripe and eat.
Yeah, and remember me tell you, the viewers and subscribers, if you want some real organic vinegar, you know, you just make the right banana, then stay long till they rotten out, you know, and there's something will drain out of them, you know. I eat a vinegar, you know, no chemical, you know. Big up yourself, you know, Africa. Big up yourself, you know, New York.
Man,
big up yourself, you know.
Telling that logic.
Yeah, man.
Real. Chemist. Real
yeah,
Rasta, chemist.
I true,
Yeah,
man.
man. One and only Rasta this. Yeah, we speak positive.
I will not make the
Not
kitchen
negative.
or nothing yet, you know. But tomorrow we are burn a pot, yes, sir, you know, on the ground, you know, and show you how Rasta cook, you know. Manners and respect, you know, Rastafari.
Yeah, man. Every time, man.
Yeah,
every
man.
time.
Sure,
Yeah,
man.
Rasta culture look good, man. All on the hillside, you put one house up there.
Yeah, man. 6 hours ago, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have to start from one first.
Yeah.
We have to start from somewhere, you know.
Yeah, and 2 up on the hillside, up a clear spot up there, so. Yeah, man. So, cameraman, make a speech, you know, because you're there, you know.
Yeah, we just there go pre-war go on for show. As me I tell you, it's a good look for show, brother. You know, I tell you. Only a pity we couldn't get to show them all the good farm in a previous events still, you see it. Farm kind of run down, you know, still because I little drought and heavy rain will come in afterwards still, but it'll get there, but brother, you know, I tell you lie. It's a good look, same way, brother.
Yeah, man, viewers and subscribers. Remember me tell you, you know, 8 months ago I plant some potato, yes, sir, you know, and I never get the time to reap them, you know. But potato want something, you know, it stay long in the ground, you know. So remember me tell you, you know, I don't know if I go find none, you know, but me a search, you know.
Because when you plant, you must be there.
I true,
Yeah,
man.
when you plant, you must be there. Yeah, man. Land fluffy. Yeah. See one, yeah? Yeah, man.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So me find one little one, yeah. Me not lie. And then something vital to your
Yeah,
body.
tell you.
So, my viewers and subscribers, your sister, we not tell you no lie. Everything a Rasta thing, real thing. See it there? Me not lie.
And this make pudding. You know, if you fry, you boil it.
Yeah, I tell
It
you.
make pudding, you know. I don't know what else to make.
Make chips.
Yeah, cook and eat everything, you know.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. We are putting the work, you know.
Yeah.
Because for your work, you know, you must eat, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember, me tell you, you know. And we don't know where potato then there, you know, but we are search. That one is small, you know, viewers, but here what? You say if you roast a little one, yeah, you never stop one potato feed. Remember,
Yeah,
me
man.
tell you.
I don't lie.
True, man. And viewers and subscribers, so we use fork and jam down in Jamaica, you know. We not lie. Because we not deal with no prettiness. Everything with the real. So you see how you use fork? All of my cousins them in New York, you know. Remember, you know. Manhattan, you know. Remember me tell you, we there
Yeah,
do
man.
the work.
If you don't know if you use the fork, dark face Rasta culture can teach you. And just look on him page and see how I use it. That guy over the cut the pepper. I run around, you know. One of them places are potato, you know.
So what go on, they come like them all beer and up. Beer over back again.
Yeah.
The original them are like the Spanish potato them, you know, 3 months potato them, you know. Yeah.
Boy, I don't know where then they the cameraman, but we are.
Yeah, we have to use the strength, man. We have to use up the strength, you know.
I true, man.
So you have to find like how you find down bundong,
Yeah.
soft yam. When you find bundong, you have to just dig at some place.
I true, man. Remember, me tell you, viewers and subscribers, them earth here, you know, no chemical never go in this yet, you know. If you put a ganja seed in there, you know, in a 3 month time, you know, it's tall like a grizzle bass, you know.
Yeah, man, for real.
But you can't tick on him, you know.
They call them soil a virgin soil.
Yeah, man.
Never touched before.
I true, man.
Yeah, virgin.
I want another beer, you know. That's how you go, man. Because viewers and subscribers, you see true, we don't use no chemical. Any weight size we get them, that's how we eat them. Remember me tell you.
Yeah, man, natural and organic, brother. Natural
Yeah,
and organic.
You know if it big. Remember me tell you, because when it's small, it's vital. Grizzle boss, what you have to say? Because I can't find no potato, you know.
Me I wonder what.
I wonder if the man they reap them before me come. But we still a dig, because so Rasta work stay. And hear what? You say, if some stranger pass through and dig them, me still not feel no way. Because a Rasta we say, and we come to help everybody.
But we can't help.
Alright, remember me tell you.
So them want more you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
But all me I tell you still, you know. Anybody will dig them no come back still, you know.
Yeah, take foolish shit.
Who no take food no share already. You see two little one up me find, I film me them there. Manners and respect.